Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Mad Titan Sports not working. Live sports stream not loading app troubleshooting fix. Step 1. Update dependencies. Jet extractors. Open Kodi and go to add-ons. Select My Add-ons Video Add-ons. Find and open Mad Titan Sports. Select Update or Versions and install the latest available version. Make sure all required dependencies, including jet extractors, are updated. After updating, restart Kodi and test the stream again. Step 2. Connect to a VPN. Connect to a trusted VPN service. Choose a server in a different location and reconnect. Open Mad Titan Sports and test the stream. If streams still do not load, disconnect the VPN and try again, as some stream providers work better without VPN tunneling. Step 3. Change stream sources. Not all stream providers are available at all times. Open the sporting event you want to watch. Browse the available stream sources such as Daddy Life, StreamEast, or Roxy's streams. If one source fails to load, return to the list and try another source. Avoid links that repeatedly buffer, fail to connect, or show errors. Step 4. Clear Kodi cache. Open your device's settings menu. Go to Apps or Application Manager. Select Kodi. Choose Clear Cache. Restart Kodi and try the add-on again. Note: avoid selecting Clear Data unless you are prepared to reconfigure Kodi and reinstall add-ons. Fix 5. Check Kodi error logs. Open Kodi and navigate to add-ons. Select Download, Program Add-ons. Install Log Viewer for Kodi if it is not already installed. Launch the Log Viewer add-on. Select Show Log to review recent error messages. Look for dependency, network, or playback related errors that may be preventing streams from loading. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.